Alright guys, welcome to Lincoln Space once again. So this is Apex Fusion Telegram Airdrop. As you can see, engage, learn, and unlock your reputation. Dive into the Apex Fusion experience on Telegram. So this airdrop is just like social value. So many people feel that social values is a 1, and now more people are joining than ever before. So this airdrop is just like social value. So this is how to go through this airdrop. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video for more crypto updates. So once you click the link in the description of this video and in the comment section, you launch the app. As you can see, once you log in, you have already done your daily check-in. Every day you log in, your daily check-in increases. If you log in tomorrow, daily check-in will be 2 daily check-in. This is my first time logging in the app. That's why it's showing 1 daily check-in. So every day you log into the app, your check-ins will be recorded. So you can also end on this airdrop by performing quizzes. As you can see, so let's answer one of the quiz. So this is what the articles you have to read before answering the quiz. The Prime network serves as the primary decentralization and security layer for the Fusion family of network, while being the sole issuer of APX tokens. It operates as a decrypting consensus mechanism for both the UTXO vector and EVM network sidechains maintained by a decentralized network of validators. To enhance security, transaction fees on the Prime chain are set high, as liquid staking will be the predominant transaction type. So the Prime chain is the only source of inflation in the ecosystem and funds projects through initial stake pool offering ICPOs known as infusions. So this funding for system improvement and broader adoption within the Fusion architecture will primarily be issued on the Prime chain. So this is the articles you have to read before answering the quiz. So let's start the quiz right away. So the quiz says, what role does the Prime network serve in the Apes Fusion ecosystem? So what is the primary method of inflation within the APX Fusion ecosystem? So let's check this. This is the correct answer. Which sidechain benefits from the liquid staking consensus mechanism? So this is the answer. So we have successfully answered the quiz. Another way to earn is by performing quests. As you can see, check in daily. Check in daily in the Telegram mini app for 5 days. That is log in for 5 days, check in for 8 days, 15 days, 30 days. Invite 10 friends to join. You can also share the link in the comment section and decision. You can also share the link in the comment section of this video so that others can join through your link. So this is the quest here. Then they say complete 5 Apes Fusion quizzes. All right, follow this guy on X. So when you click on this follow on X task, it will tell you to please enter your X username on the profile. So this is how to enter your X username on the profile. Click on this profile, then enter X username. So let's enter our X username. So once you have entered the X username, then write your, okay, this username will not include ads. So let's remove this ads in the username. So write your badge. Let's write anything you want to write. So this is how to add your X username in your profile. Then once you have done, okay, I've added it. So once you are done, you head back to the quest, you head back to the same quest and click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to X automatic. Then you follow the guy that it was, they asked you to follow. So don't forget to subscribe. Click the link in the comments section and discussion of this video to get started. So let's follow this guy. Follow. So once you are done following, you head back to the app social. So another way you can earn points is by inviting your friends. Click here, copy your referral link, and paste it to your friends and family. I can see money being printed on this airdrop. So don't fade this airdrop. Make sure to share the link to your friends and family. Share to your community. Also paste the link in the comment section of this video so that others can join through your link. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video for more crypto update. So this airdrop also has an app like Social Value. I told you this app is just giving me sosovalue vibe. Well, the app is not yet live. The app is coming soon. Well, while we are waiting for the app to be live, you can also use your Telegram points and build your reputation in the application system. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and share this video for more crypto updates.